Okay, dear student, two students are here. So, can you please give me the little bit your introduction? Have you people, both of you, have you previously studied ATX? Is this going to be your first attempt? So please, little bit about your background so that we can start. In the chat box, you can write, please. September 2049 marks close, both of you. So both of you are full-time students working with a job. What? And is this your last paper? How many papers are left? Just few questions. Working full-time, hence taking one exam per session. That makes sense. That makes sense. 3 more to go apart from ATX. Okay. Okay. Have you ever, have you both of you have studied previously from VIFHE, from me? Or is this going to be your first experience with VIFHE and Abeel Ahmed? First experience. Okay. So let me explain few things. Our self-study for ATX before, you should not have done that, because when you are studying from someone who has spent, let's say, more than a decade in teaching, approximately near to 2 decades. So by investing, you can get the benefit of a teacher who has spent such a great time in teaching. Okay. Let me explain few things what we are actually offering in ATX. Actually, number one, in Resit batch, you will be entire course will be given to you. Entire course. You will be getting entire lectures, entire ATX lectures. Number one. Number two, what do we do? Weekly, I think every Thursday we take a live online class. The objective of taking weekly live online revision classes. In that class, what do we do? In a very short period of time, we try to cover many things, and in advance, normally I tell the students what are we going to cover in that class. And weekly live revision class, which is on Thursday, that gives you the opportunity that you can ask directly the question from the tutor in the live class. Another thing, in ATX lectures, you will find each lecture approximately ranging between 40 to 45 minutes. My video lectures are not very long because I strongly believe having the recorded lectures of 200 hours, that's not practical. Nobody has that much time to watch such great length of lectures. So what I have done, in just 72 to, I would say in 73 lectures maximum, the entire ATX completes. 73 means if you multiply this with 45 and divide this with 60. So let's see how many hours we are getting. It is coming to 54.75 hours. It means entire ATX completes just in 54.75 hours. It means that if a student watches the lecture and increases the speed, because normally, that's my own experience, students, what do? They watch video lectures by accelerating the speed. If you, for example, if you're watching the lectures at the speed of 1.25 or let's say 1.5, so you can reduce these 54.75 hours, you can reduce them to around, let's say 45 hours or maybe less. So it's a very moderate time. Within that moderate time, you can complete the entire ATX. Then from lecture 74, it goes around till 95. What I have done in this, from 74 till 95, in each lecture, I have discussed one complete question of the past paper. And the length of the past paper question from 74 till 95, again, each video will be ranging around 40 to, I would say that would be ranging around 35 to 40 minutes. In addition to that, we conduct we give you 6 assignments. You can say 6 tests. And with a proper debrief, you will get a proper debrief on each test. A video debrief will be shared with you. You will be getting 2 mocks also. Your mock will be properly checked. Okay. Now let me tell you another exciting product which you might have never heard anywhere. That's what I strongly believe. What is that exciting product? That is smart ATX revision. This is already pre-recorded. What we have done in this smart ATX revision, there are just 25 lectures. Each lecture is ranging just 25 to 30 minutes. So within 12.5 hours, I have covered 95% of ATX. This smart revision ATX product is the answer for one question. What is that question? Normally, students, they ask, sir, what should we do near to the exam? Let's say students, they normally ask the question, sir, we have seen all your lectures. We have seen your practice question. We have done all the practice questions as well. What should we do before the exam? Seriously, before the exam, smart ATX revision is the key to success. Just by spending 12.5 hours with the normal speed, it means if you increase the speed, this goes down to 8 hours only. So within 8 hours, you can revise 95% to 90, I would say 98% of the ATX syllabus. So it means just by, and this ATX smart revision, you can even watch this twice or maybe thrice. So this is ATX smart revision is the quickest way to revise almost 95% of the rules of ATX. So these are the all products. Once you enroll yourself in the Resit batch, you will get all of these products. We will not hide any product. Just joining the Resit batch means you will be getting all these products. All these products. And obviously you'll be getting a WhatsApp support as well. During watching the lecture, even anywhere in ATX, if you get stuck, you can always ask the question on WhatsApp group as well. So now I'm waiting for your questions. Please, your queries, any query if you have, you can ask, please. I strongly believe you people might not have heard about this sort of product. Yes, guys, I'm waiting for your questions. Now, if you want to ask anything, please. Actually, I would say first, try to watch the lectures quickly and then start practicing. Directly don't go for the practice because you should try to watch the lectures. I think if you watch the lectures with a speed of, from kid, you should be practicing the question from the kid, but not now. I would advise first try to watch my lectures. I think you can complete the entire lecture within 40 to 35 hours. After that, you can go for the practice. But you will find enough practice in my lectures as well. But this time, you people should try to focus more on kit. Yeah, from exam kit, obviously. I'll tell you the step 1. What should be the sequence? Let me explain. Step 1 should be watch these lectures. First 73 lectures. Then watch this practice videos. And step 1, step 2, and then step 3. Because from 74 till 95 and including this first 73 lectures, from 74 till 95, all questions are from exam kits. And in first 73 lectures, there are also number of questions from the exam kit. So once you have done step 1, this and this, and then you should go for the kit. And when you will go for the kit, then you will come to know that number of questions you have already done. Step 1, step 2, and step 3 should be give test. So these should be your steps. Let me explain that. Actually, since you people have attempted the question, so you can properly analyze what I really want to say. Normally, even in your kit, you will not find one question just on CGT. Entire question will not be on CGT. Even in CGT, the main part will be on CGT, but you will see that some part will be on IST, on other areas as well. So normally in exam kit, you will not be getting one question on one topic, entire question. Parts will be there, yes, not the entire question. But if you, I think you should follow the sequence which I am right now guiding you. Watch these 73 lectures within 40 hours. If you can do that, that's awesome. Practice videos from 74 till 95 and 6 tests. And then go for the kit as many. Then I would say after doing these 3 steps, you will be left with very less number of, very less number of questions in the kit. Because majority of the question you will find, inshallah, we have covered in these areas. Dear students, anything else if you really want to know? I'm just waiting any question. In my lectures, I've covered each and everything. Don't worry at all. I always teach from zero. I always assume students, they don't carry any previous knowledge. So it is from zero and very interesting. Inshallah, you will find it. No issue at all. No issue at all. See, for remembering the rules, we have something. Look at this. Smart ATX revision, which covers in 12.5 hours, 95% of the course. So even after watching 30 and 40 lectures, I would say just weekly, every week, if you try to watch this also, within 8 hours, if you watch the lectures with a speed of 1.5, so you can watch the entire smart ATX revision you can complete this within 8 hours. Instead of spending 12.5 hours, you can just complete the entire ATX revision within 8 hours. Yeah, as soon as you people enroll yourself, okay, I'll ask the admin. Admin will give you the access. Don't worry at all. You will get the access. If not, then I'll ask the admin. Admin will give you. You are enrolled. That's great. That's great. So I'm going to tell the admin right now. So within this week, you will get this smart revision access also. If not, then you can text me. Fab is not far. Fab is also not far, just 2 weeks. So dear students, anything else? If you want to ask, please go ahead. I'm waiting. When it comes to marks, in the previous attempt in December 2022, one of my students, mashallah, took 84 marks in ATX. Getting 84 marks in ATX is just a big achievement. Previously, the highest marks, one of my students in the way back, he took 83 marks. In the previous attempt, if I go, secret of passing is just follow the teacher instruction, that's it. Watching the lecture, the sequence which I have mentioned, and giving all 6 tests, 2 mocks, watching a smart revision at least 2 to 3 times. That's it. That's good enough to pass the paper. No. There's no need to read any technical article. No. Why? Because the book which I have compiled, Sudhir, the book which I have compiled, that is good. It has each and everything. There's no need to read. Actually, technical articles are important for AFM, not here. In ATX, everything is in your book, the one which I have compiled, plus your exam kit is good enough. There's no need to go for any technical articles. So simply, dear students, I have explained each and everything about the ATX course, and I have shared the sequence, which sequence you should follow. And we have multiple products in ATX, as you might have noticed. So I'm excited. I'm just looking forward to see both of you, inshallah, and other students as well. They are, alhamdulillah, number of students, they are already enrolled, alhamdulillah. And simply, student who watches all the lectures properly, jot down the points, making notes, simply they can pass the paper easy. So, dear students, simply I would say thank you very much for coming up this Resit batch. We are starting from today. And coming Thursday, we will be having a live revision class. I really want to look forward to all of you to be in my class on Thursday. So in the WhatsApp group, I'll share the topic as well tomorrow, that what topic we'll be discussing in our Thursday class. So simply anything else if you want to ask. Otherwise, from my side, I would say simply best of luck. I just wanted to see you in my class. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I really want every one of you to be in my class on Thursday. Thanks a lot.